Are you looking for a way to generate high-quality images from simple text prompts? Let's dive into how Starryai can make this possible. First, enter your image prompt. Describe your vision in detail to set the stage for the AI to work its magic. Next, select the style you want, choose the quality, and decide how many images you wish to generate. Now, click on Generate and watch as Starryai brings your vision to life. In just a few moments, your image will be ready. Preview it to see the initial result. Not quite satisfied with the resolution? No worries. Simply click on Upscale to increase the resolution of your image, making it crisp and detailed. Once you are happy with the result, it's time for the final step. Download your masterpiece. It's that easy. With Starryai, turning your text prompts into captivating images has never been easier. Try it out today and unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.